Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys today because this was in my mailbox. And if you're an old IPSY gal like I am, you know that these were the bags. When this showed up in your box, we used to get so excited because this used to be the color of the bags when IPSY first started with their $10 bags. This now is for their special bags. So this is carrying that $30 mystery bag that showed up at the beginning of the month. There were a few of them. Then a lot of them had older bags that, because I was an ultimate girl as well, I have all those bags. But there's one bag in particular that I always keep my eyes open for, and it's the one from the GLAMXs. And I've been very lucky being able to snag those mystery bags when the GLAMX bag showed up in that mystery bag bundle. However, that third one was not showing up at all, and I think that was the one that was called Hazley. I think that's her name. So that was the bag I've been keeping my eyes open for in the mystery bag, and finally, this month it showed up. And this is the bag that I'm talking about. It is beyond stunning. So if you chose this as one of your items in your GLAMX, I think you did amazing. But if you're like me and you like to choose a product over a bag because you really don't need any more bags, but when the bag shows up in a mystery bag and you want to grab it, that's when I treat myself. So that is what I've done. But like I said, I've been keeping my eyes open for this one, and it wasn't showing up at all. So I thought maybe a lot of girls chose it this time, so I missed out. But like I said, I have a lot of bags, but if I'm able to treat myself, I do. So this is what the lining looks like inside. The IPSY name is there, as well as on the outside here. It is a beautiful bag and a heavy duty zipper. So if you chose this as one of your items, I think you did great as well. But like I said, I try to choose product and then I try to keep my eyes open for it in the mystery bags. I did check before I sat down, and this is still available in the mystery bag section. They have been showing a little bit that there's going to be some mystery bags of the less expensive ones that they're going to be showing up during I think this week or next week in reference to mystery bags. They're completely different designs. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but this is what I did with this one because this is the $30 one, and this includes 5 full sizes inside. On my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. So I really hope that you do. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. I'm going to try to go through this really quickly. With mystery bags, you don't get any paperwork and you really don't know what's inside. But when I opened it up and I took everything out of the packaging, I am ecstatic because I literally do not own any of these products. And that always blows my mind with the amount that I purchase and the amount that I just love makeup and skincare and all of that. And for how long I've been with these companies, I cannot believe still I'm getting items that I have not received before. And few of them, actually 2 of them, are on my wants list, so even better. So let's get started so I can show you what is in this bag. So the first item here came in this cute little wrapping here with these stunning brushes inside. And this is from Shaina B Miami. And these are the gorgeous brushes that are inside. So it looks like we have a beautiful blender brush here, and it says on it what it is, which is even better. It says it's a tapered blending brush. Very smooth, very beautiful. I own a lot of her brushes, but I do not own this set. And the stunning barrel on this is beyond beautiful. Very beautiful brushes. I got introduced to this line through IPSY, and one of the products that I got introduced to were her brushes. And I love when they introduce us to their lines through their brushes, because you can tell if the brushes are quality, that's how their standard of their products are going to be. And I found everything about her product line to be really great. And I wouldn't know about her product line at all if it wasn't for IPSY. So that is the first one item, which is actually 5 on its own. All right. The next one here is this brand called East 29th. This is a brand new brand to me. This is what is inside here. I took out my magnifier. This again is from Improving Lifestyles. I will leave this linked down below. If you don't have one of these, you're missing out on that as well. So because it has an LED light and it makes the biggest difference when you're trying to read some of the back of the packaging here. This says it is a product that's made in Canada. And they're saying that after cleansing, lightly massage a few drops on any area of your clean skin before moisturizing, and you can use it morning and night. They're saying the serum is designed to deliver a high concentration of all natural ingredients directly into the skin to improve your hydration, texture, and tone, while using to firming, promoting elasticity and smoothing wrinkles. Like I said, this is made in Canada, and I'm just trying to see something else here. Yeah, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, lemon rind extract, vitamin C and E. So this is a really beautiful, potent serum. Really excited to get the opportunity with this. And then everything else in here is makeup. So excited that we're getting brushes as well as, and there's no scent on this at all. And it is a really nice heavy duty serum. Do you see that? It is not like runny or anything. That is unbelievable. Really, really excited to get that. So I'm gonna just massage that in and really happy to get that. Okay, so the next item that is in here has been something that has been on my wants list, and I keep waiting for it, and I was gonna buy it in a package actually from Tarte, and now I was able to get it because I saw it a few times in IPSY, so I kept looking in the shopper to hope that they were gonna do some kits on this, and I ended up getting lucky. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip. The reviews on this are through the roof. Everyone says that they are enjoying it. The color that I received in here is Orchid, and that is what the box looks like here. I hope I'm putting it the right way for the camera. And this is what the product looks like here. It has one of those clickies on the bottom to lift it up. So you can see that it goes up like that. And then that is the color there. I'm just gonna do a light little bit here. Yeah, very moisturizing, really, really, really beautiful. So excited to now have this in my arsenal. Like I said, this was on my wants list, so I'm really happy to have gotten that. The next one is from this brand called Araceli. And this is a brand that I already own, but I do not have this color, and it is an olive. And this now I've received in a couple of pencils in the olive, and I'm really enjoying it. It is really that perfect color that sometimes you just need to have in your arsenal because you don't want to wear black, you don't want to wear brown. And now with this season, with all the greens, I think it is absolutely fantastic to have this. So like I said, enjoy this brand, and now I have another color from it. So excited about that. And then the last item is from Milk Makeup, and I'm so happy this is now with the crossover from IPSY and BoxyCharm that Milk is starting to show up in IPSY, and this is a brand that I highly, highly recommend. One of my favorite products from them, there's so many, was their overnight, first of all, Milk Makeup. All of their products come in these cylinders, and you're able to apply things directly to your face without getting your hands in the jar or anything like that. So that right away, I got introduced to it, and I fell in love with their overnight one that was in this purple container. And then when I saw it available in add-ons, I picked that up as well. And then in the add-on section, because you know I'm a girl that loves using lash primer, I decided to pick up the lash primer from this brand that was in the add-on section, and I fell in love with it. So then when I saw it the following time, I picked it up again, and then I haven't seen it since. These are heavy, heavy duty luxury brand. This is such a heavy, heavy mascara, not in the weight on your eyes, but in actually in the cylinder. I also already tried this mascara in the $3 section, which is what I recommend to you guys all the time, because the brush and the formula is exactly the same in that section as it is in this one. So this one is called Kush, and that's the same name that is on their primer. So I'm so excited now to be able to match them up together because I'd never had them at the same time. And this is, it is, let's see here, made in Italy, okay? So that's that there, and let me show you there, that's what's there. And it comes in this, like I said, gorgeous packaging. So if you're giving these as gifts and you're pulling things apart, everything looks like full retail. And then when you open this up, let me show you this brush. It is like so beautiful. It is that thick bristles that to me is the best way to, if you're not a girl that, you know, needs the volume, and I really like having both, so I use a lot of times two mascaras. I'll use the ones that are like those spiky guys to lift and give me the length, and then I'll always end off with a brush. And the brush for me, a lot of the high-end mascaras are that. and that's what gives me the volume. It grabs your lashes and it just fans them out. It's just fantastic. So really, really excited that that is what this brush is, but I knew about that because of the $3 section, which is where I tell you guys to always go. So just to recap, besides getting this bag, and all of this was $30 free freight to my door. So this is the gorgeous bag that I kept my eyes open for. So this all started because of that bag, and I really lucked out. Then we got all these gorgeous, gorgeous brushes from Shaina B, a new brand that I'm so excited to try, made in Canada. So that, you know, touches my heart, and that's East 29th. Then the Maracuja from Tarte, really excited about that, in Orchid. Then we have this gorgeous pencil from Araceli, which is a brand that I like their pencils, in Olive. And then this gorgeous mascara from Milk. I think it's a home run. Like I said, these are still available, but remember, it's a mystery bag. So the longer you wait, because I ordered this at the beginning of the month, you might not get the same items, but you will be able to choose it based on the bag. So if the bag is what your #1 priority is, which it was for me, then I know you will get the bag, but I cannot promise you that what was inside mine would be inside yours, because it's a mystery. And that's everything that I have for you guys today. So take care, everybody, stay well, and I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye for now.